Hey guys, this is Derek from Warcry Adventures, back out in the field again. I'm going to be hiking up Opal Ridge on Highway 40 in Kananaskis. Yeah, just starting out. It seems like a pretty well-hiked trail so far. The pathway looks fairly clear. Let's see where it goes. Hey guys. Just plugging along, going up the mountain. The trail is pretty dense, but still fairly packed down though, which is kind of great. It's just good. Makes for easier hiking anyway. And yeah, just keep making progress. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get on my hands and knees and crawl under this thing. My big pack. Yeah, fallen trees, and it's kind of a weird trail. First little lookout. It's an amazing view. Look at all the snow up there still. Oh yeah. I also seen some droppings of some kind. They looked pretty big. So I'm assuming it's gonna be bear. So I'm just gonna be real cautious going up. Make lots of noise. That's why I call it Warcry Adventures, because I fucking scream all the way up the trail. I don't want to see any wildlife. Just mind my own business. Let them have their own business. As you can see, I've started to get past the really thick, dense forest. There's no pathway, so I'm just kind of plowing up the mountain and soaking in this beautiful view. Very mountainy. Oh. Yeah, here I am. This is about as high as I'm gonna go. I just can't get to the top. I free hiked this whole mountain, and it's just as high as I can go. I'm gonna start heading down, find somewhere warm to eat, and then just head her back to the vehicle. It is nice though, regardless. Oh yeah. You know, you can accomplish anything in life with commitment and consistency. You don't even need to be the most physical person. You don't need to be the most intellectual person. As long as you can hold that commitment and stay consistent, day by day, you will conquer the things that you want to conquer in life. I've proved that to myself over and over again. And I just keep doing it. And just love this deal, man. It's a good life. And on a side note, I'd fucking love to GT down that little crevice with full hockey gear, of course. And hey guys, I just wanted to show you why I'd rather have bear bangers than bear mace. So, oh, here we go. It does the trick. I finally made it down. I had to bushwhack, and while I was bushwhacking I got chased by bees or wasps, and they just wouldn't go away, and they just kept following me. So there was no stopping, just keep on going. And now I'm on the home stretch. So I'm back at my car now. I made it to the bottom safely, and just to look at my journey is crazy. I was way up there at those top pieces that look thin, way up there. That's freaking insane.